Boyfriend's Pictures. You know, Houston, Texas, I would even go as far as to say that I love you just as much as I love telling love stories. Because you've taught me that you can start out writing songs and playing guitar on your bedroom floor. And if you're lucky, you just might end up hanging out with your closest friends in a sold-out arena in Houston, Texas. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. You ready to get this started?